Hi, this is Hamid Jafar. I would like to teach you how to install and configure AI-DBA Data Gateway. Let's log into the account that you have. In this case, I'm using the demo account. Prior to install the Data Gateway, you need to create gateway credentials. You click on the security, you click on new, we name it as gateway. We need to have an email address for gateway and we set the password and select the data gateway. Here we set the expiry date, let's say for 1st February 2027, and we click submit. The gateway credential has been created. Now we need to go to the gateway tab and we download the installer. Once you click on the installer, it performs the download. Switch to the servers that we would like to install the gateway. Here, we already copy over the installer here. You just double click on the installer, click next, next, next. So easy. To confirm the service has been installed, we just go to the directory, the installation directory. Yes, we can see the file versions 2.3.1. This is the service file and this is the configuration file. To complete the installation, we right click on the configuration file, the application, run as. It says install service here. The reason is the file, all the binary files are installed, but the service is not configured. Then we just click on install service and it's done. The next step is we click on sign in. Do you remember we created the gateway credentials? Now is the time to use that credential. Then we enter the password and we need to choose the correct region, the region that your account has been created on. So in this case is Asia Pacific, Singapore. Click sign in and it pop up with a message box that's saying the gateway is registered successfully. Done. So it actually captures your account ID and we have here the network tab to make sure this gateway is able to access to all the data endpoints. So once you see all these data endpoints are accessible, then it's good to go. The next one is you don't need to sign out. You just need to close the application and done. The final step is we turn on and start the service. Install here, we start it. To confirm the service is running well, you go to the log folder and click on the service log and you can see the service is detected 8 processors, the processor affinity, and the account ID has been captured. It's very important that to see the account ID. If you don't see the account ID, means the gateway is not able to collect the information from our data centers. And all the modules are loaded and it states here that started successfully. The next step is to close all of these windows and we move to gateways. Now you see this gateway has the IP, logon account, and the last sync and version. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's the good start for you guys to install and configure the gateway. It's quite straightforward. Thanks. Bye.